Hey guys, welcome to Learn CorelDraw in 5 minutes. Today I'm going to show you how you can do a phrase and do it like a circle shape. And what we're going to do is write a phrase. And in this case, I'm going to do Cotec and then below Nexus, which is my channel's name. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit me the like and subscribe. Now, what we're gonna do is pick on the word or the phrase, go to Arrange, click, and then Break Artistic Text. Now they're all separate individually. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna draw like a circle. It can either be a perfect circle or an oval like this, or you can draw a perfect circle. In order for you to do a perfect circle, you can just click Control on your keyboard, keep it pressed, and it will draw a perfect circle. Now, let's pick the upper phrase. We're gonna pick on this one and go to Text, Fit Text to Path, click on it. Then you're gonna choose the position where you want your phrase and click. Now, below it's a little tricky. You have to turn this into a 180 degree, like looking down. It has to be 180 degrees, okay? Now, we're gonna do the same thing. Go to Text, if I can find it, right here. And again, click Fit Text to Path, and you know what, perhaps we're gonna do some more spacing here because it's all too close together. Now let's try again, 180 degrees. And if you get that problem, just put a space between each letter, because some fonts are not very friendly for this type of stuff. So, but no problem, just space every letter. Now go to Arrange and Break Compound Object. Get rid of the circle, and then you can draw anything in the middle, like a number 1. We are number 1 on softwares and other stuff. So you better subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. This is a quick tutorial and learn how to do CorelDraw in 5 minutes. Thank you guys. I'll see you again soon.